How to create Chime Bank account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for Chime Bank Sign Up. It will land you on this page. Scroll down, and what you want to do is you need to head over to this site, Online Banking Sign Up. You will land on the official page. Tap on Get Started at the top of the screen. You need to verify in this page. All you want to do is click on this checkbox. Now, if you want to create an account, enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Once you have entered, tap on Next at the bottom. Enter your actual date of birth. Once you have entered, tap on Next. Enter your phone number and then click on Next. Once you have entered your number, you will receive one verification code in your number. You have to copy that code and enter it in the section where you are asked to. Once done, tap on Next, and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.